Scott Belsky enters a small elevator in New York City where he is about to hear 4 simultaneous elevator pitches to go to Adobe MAX.
Is that what I'm doing?
Yes.
But I want everyone to go to Max.
Again, Scott Belsky enters a small elevator in New York City.
All right, I think I get this. You want to kick us off?
Yeah, I believe women and creativity can change the world.
I like the sound of that.
I just want to use design to make a difference.
As an outsider, I've had to teach myself.
All started with my sketchbook. Not this sketchbook, but a sketchbook.
Okay, so this summer I did a 164-mile bike ride for cancer research.
But I've only scratched the surface with this. Big things are coming.
I've learned all the tools.
Big.
Now I just need a path to put it all together.
Big.
Every person who donated, I put their face
I feel
on.
fortunate to work under so many kick-ass female leaders.
Posted on my story, and if they saw that, they were
Self-taught.
super excited, and more people saw
I
it.
even designed my hair in Illustrator.
Vector-based, good choice. So I took these pictures of bicycles, and I
It's
took
not
more
about what you look like, but your ideas instead.
Chin down a bit.
It's all about the
profile
angles.
pictures, and I put the little face on top of the bike, and it had to be
Adobe is
super
a
cute.
perfect platform for women to have their voices heard.
Their
Men
little
have
face
their
on the
I
bike.
have 2 words.
And then the robots would fear us.
This is my floor.
Scott, wait! So what did you think?
Yes, what do you think, Scott?
I think you're all going to Max.
Really?
As Scott walked away, he realized this wasn't actually his floor.
Wait, you need our emails or what?